So what most people don't understand, okay, about cholesterol is that the cholesterol is the body's main antacid. In other words, it's used by the body, among other things, to buffer metabolic waste or acidity in the body. So when your body is acidic, your body will start to use cholesterol to defend itself. So high cholesterol means high acidosis or high acidity. You want to prevent or stop the cholesterol, alkalize the body. And what's better to alkalize the body than an all-fruit diet? Nothing. So you jump on an all-fruit diet. Okay, it can take you a little bit of time. I'll use herbs for my heart, cardiovascular tincture. I'll use herbs for circulation, so I have good blood flow. On my website called Circulation One Tincture, I will use herbs to clean my kidneys and lymphatic system because, believe it or not, cholesterol is part of the lymphatic system. So strengthen your lymphatic system with the lymphatic herbs like poke root, red roots. Use the fruit diet because that moves the lymph system. But more importantly, work on your kidneys. Without the kidney filtration, you cannot get better. Okay, the body can't heal without kidney filtration because the kidneys filter out the lymph system. The lymph system is your main immune system. It's present in every single cell in your body. Even the bones have it. Okay, so you need to keep that healthy, and that's how you get better. That's how you reduce your cholesterol so it doesn't come back again. Okay, use the cardiovascular tincture on my website for your heart to support your heart because high cholesterol plaquing is not good. You need to get blood flow going. You got to move all the acids out, alkalize the body, the acids come out.